Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can do underwater effect on CapCut application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application and we're going to create underwater effect for this video. So if we want to create underwater effect, we have to add the water reflection effect to this video. We can go to the effect option and select the video effect. In this video effect, we have to go to the light effect category. And then you can scroll down a little bit until you find the water reflection effect. This one, click on this effect, and before you apply this effect to your video, you can adjust the effect. You can adjust the speed, size, folder, color, and twist. And I'm going to increase the speed and the size as well. And after we're done adjusting the effect, we can click on this check mark and you can make it as effect align with your video by dragging the effect like this. And to make it more like it's underwater, I'm going to add a sound effect, the underwater sound effect. We can go to the audio, then select the sound FX, and I'm going to search for the underwater. Okay, and then you can try it one by one, and like this, you can choose the effect which is suitable for your video. And I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can do underwater effect on CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.